Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all. Today's date is 21st January 2022. Subject Science, Class 5, Chapter 3, The Moon. My dear students, we'll read about phases of the moon. So you can see here in the picture there be given phases of the moon as seen from the earth. How moon is been seen from the earth? What are its different phases? You can see in the day 1, day 4, day 7, day 10, day 14, day 17, day 21 and day 25. So you can see this here there are different phases of the moon, right? And see, like there are new moon, crescent moon and gibbous moon and full moon. Okay, so you can see the phases here. I want you to read this atom. Okay, phase of the moon. Now see here, landing on the moon. You know who is the first person to land on the moon? Lynn Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. They were the first person to visit the moon in a spacecraft named as Apollo 11. And Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin worked on the moon on 21st July 1969. They were the first person to work on the moon. The three American astronauts who were there: Neil Armstrong, Edwin Aldrin, and Michael Collins. And Neil Armstrong and Edwin Aldrin were the first person to work on the moon on 21st July 1969. Okay, and Neil Armstrong was the first human to step on the moon. He was the first person to step on the moon. Okay, after that we can see our eclipse. Okay, in eclipse we can see there are two type of eclipse, that is solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Okay, so I want you to read this atom. Artificial satellites. Okay, like moon is also a satellite of our earth, but there are many artificial satellites like a Sputnik 1, Aryabhatta, and like what are these satellites used for communications? Like they're used to locate the weather conditions, right? And navigational satellites are also there, and communication satellite. Like see, now we are communicating in the phone with the help of tower, right? But many communication satellite, navigational satellite and weather satellites are there that help us to know the exact weather condition, and sometimes they help us to navigate through the different paths, roads, right? And communication satellite help us to communicate with different people with the help of telephone signals and all, right? So these are what artificial satellites. Like Sputnik 1 was the world first artificial satellite, and Aryabhatta was also Indian first satellite that was launched on 19 April 1975. So I want you to read this chapter, The Moon, and understand. And with the help of diagram and examples, please try to make yourself understandable. Okay, thank you.